more pressure. I'm free tonight. Oh, left the noise so far behind. Now the ocean clears my mind. Warm wind blowing on my face. Finally found a peaceful place. No more chains on me. Now my soul can breathe. I finally feel free. And the moonlight by the sea, with this reggae in my soul, I finally let things go. I finally feel free. No more pain chasing me. Now my heart feels alive. For the very first time. Ooh. Sunset falling golden slow. Palm trees dancing in the glow. Every scar begins to fade. In this calm Jamaica rain, Jah showed me another way to live life day by day. I finally feel free, and the world feels peaceful to me. With this music in my veins, I won't wear those chains, and I finally feel free. No more pain chasing me. Now my heart feels alive. For the very first time. Ooh, yeah. Hey, hey. Oh yeah. Sunset vibes, Jamaica nights, golden sky above the sea, cool wind setting my mind free. No more pressure in my chest. Tonight my soul can finally rest. Slow waves touching the shore. I don't hurt no more. Sunset heals my soul, makes this broken spirit whole. With this reggae playing slow, I let all my pain go. Sunset heals my soul. Now I finally feel at home. Underneath these island skies, I feel so alive. Palm trees moving with the breeze. Simple life feels good to me. Every worry fades away at the ending breaking of the day. Jah give peace to my mind. Now I leave the stress behind. Sunset heals my soul. Reggae makes me lose control. In this peaceful paradise, everything feels right. Sunset heals my soul. Now I finally feel at home. Underneath these island skies, I feel so alive. Sunset feels my soul. Sunset feels my soul. Sunset feels my soul. Sunset feels my nice and slow, moonlight with a golden glow, far away from crowded streets. Now my tired heart can breathe. No more pressure in my brain. Only peace remains. No stress by the ocean. Slow reggae and pure emotion. Every wave takes pain away, makes me wanna stay. No stress by the ocean, living life in slow motion. Underneath Jamaica skies, everything feels right. Cold drink resting in my hand, barefoot walking through the sand. Simple nights beside the sea, that's the life I need. Jah gave me peace tonight. No, my soul feels light. No stress by the ocean. Sweet reggae, full devotion. Now my heart can finally rest and leave behind the stress. No stress by the ocean, living life in slow motion. Underneath Jamaica skies, everything feels right. Now my heart can finally rest and leave behind the stress. No stress by the ocean, living life in slow motion. Underneath Jamaica skies, everything feels right. Life feels simple finally. No more running around. Peace is what I found. Slow living in Jamaica. Every day feels better with this reggae in my soul. I finally feel whole. Slow living in Jamaica, far away from pressure. Underneath these island skies, I feel alive. Old guitar beside the shore. I don't need much anymore. Warm breeze blowing through the night. Everything feels right. Just showed me how to live with peace inside my spirit. Slow living in Jamaica. Sweet freedom lasts forever. With this music in my veins, I won't wear stress again. Slow living in Jamaica, far away from pressure. Underneath these island skies, I feel alive tonight. I finally feel whole. Slow living in Jamaica, far away from pressure. Underneath these island skies, I feel alive tonight. Cool breeze moving through the trees. My soul finds